Good morning, children. I welcome you all for the new session of mathematics class. As you know, we were dealing with the chapter rational numbers. Let us recall what we have learned in our previous session. Natural numbers. Natural numbers is a set of number starting from 1 to infinity. Whole numbers is a set of numbers starting from 0 to infinity. Integers, a set of positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0, is called integers. Then in our last class, we have learned about rational numbers. The number which can be expressed in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers, that is, they can either be positive, negative, or 0. And Q is not equal to 0 is called rational numbers, and it is denoted by capital Q. Examples: minus 4 by 7, 3 by minus 5, 7 by 9, and so on. Then we had also observed that the set of natural number is there in set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers are there in the set of integers, and all integers are rational numbers. That is, all integers can be written in the form of P by Q. Now in today's session, we are going to learn properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers lie under the 4 operation of arithmetic. Like in your previous classes, you have learned properties of natural number, whole numbers, and integers. Here we are going to learn properties of rational number under 4 arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The first one, properties of rational number under addition. As you all know, the first property is closure property. And according to closure property, sum of two rational number is also a rational number. For example, if you add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, the answer will be 5 by 4. And 5 by 4 is again a rational number. Next comes commutative property. The sum of two rational numbers does not depend on the order in which they are added. That is, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. For example, if you add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, the answer will be 4 by 6. And if you add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, then also the answer will be 4 by 6. Then associative property. The sum of three or more rational numbers does not depend on the way they are added. That is, if you add first two first, then the third one, the answer will come same as if you add second and third first, then the first one. Then comes identity property, or you can say additive property. That is property of 0. What is a number when added to a rational number will give you 0? The answer is 0. 0 added to any rational number, the number does not change. So 0 is called identity element or additive identity for addition of rational number. 0 plus A is equal to A. You have to remember 0 is called additive identity. Then additive inverse. If the sum of two rational number is 0, then the two rational numbers are called additive inverse of each other. For example, 2 by 3 plus what will give you 0? 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3 will give you 0. So my dear children, to find the additive inverse, what we have to do? We have to change the sign. For example, if it is minus 4 by 5, the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 will be 4 by 5. And the additive inverse of 3 by 7 will be minus 3 by 7. So you have to remember here is to find the additive inverse, we change the sign. Now, subtraction of rational numbers. The first one is closure property. The difference of two rational numbers is also a rational number. For example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, it is equal to minus 1 by 4. So, it is applicable under subtraction. Now, what commutative and associative property, rational numbers do not hold commutative or associative property under subtraction. You can try it out with simple examples. Now, property of 0. 0 subtracted from any rational number leaves it unchanged, and any rational number subtracted from 0 gives its additive inverse. For example, 3 by 2 minus 0 is equal to 3 by 2. 0 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now the third one is properties of rational number under multiplication. First one, closure property. The product of two rational number is also a rational number. For example, if you multiply 3 by 2 into 1 by 3, the answer will come 1 by 2, which is again a rational number. Second property, commutative property. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. For example, if you multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, the answer will be 1 by 6. And if you multiply 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, then also the answer will be 1 by 6. Associative property. The product of three or more numbers does not depend on the order they are multiplied in or they are grouped as. Then comes multiplicative identity. The product of any rational number with 1 is the number itself. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity of rational number. What is a number? When multiplied with a rational number, you will get the same number. Like for example, if it is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into what will give you 5 by 8? The answer is 1. So you have to remember, children, 1 is called multiplicative identity and 0 is called additive identity. 0 property. The product of any rational number and 0 is 0. For example, if you multiply any big number also with 0, the answer will be 0 only. Any number multiply with 0 is always 0. Now division of rational numbers. Again the first property, a rational number divided by rational number may or may not be a rational number. There is only one assumption. Here if A and B are two rational numbers, then B should not be equal to 0. If B is not equal to 0, then it will be a rational number. So sometimes it may or may not be a rational number. About commutative and associative property, rational number do not hold this property under division. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. You have learned this property in your previous class. A into B plus C is equal to, you will multiply A with B first, then plus A into C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Then A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Representation of numbers on the number line. Numbers can be represented on the number line according to their types. The most ways of representing the numbers on the number line are as follows: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Number line of rational numbers. The line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1. Observe the number line, children. Next, number line of whole numbers. The line extends indefinitely to the right but from 0. There are no numbers to the left of the 0. Observe the number line. Number line of integers. The line extends indefinitely on both the sides. That is, we have arrow mark on both the side. That is, it keeps on moving on both the side. Number line of rational numbers. The line extend indefinitely to both sides, but you can now see numbers between 1 and 0, 0 or 1, etc. And the homework for today is you have to write properties of rational number under addition and write the properties of rational number under subtraction. Write one example of each. So this all for today. See you tomorrow for the next session. Thank you.